welcome back to my channel. So today I created this look right here, which is inspired by the makeup and the hair from Selena Gomez's newest music, Una Vez, which is a beautiful song. I really love her style in that video. I think it's so cute, so I decided to recreate it. And the hair is kind of like I think in my opinion, the main part. The makeup is very simple and fresh, which is gorgeous. I definitely think that you could take this and basically make it your everyday makeup with no issues there. Like, it's so simple and beautiful and fresh. But the hair is where it's at. So if you want to see how I got the hair and the makeup from Selena Gomez's newest music video, Una Vez, then please keep watching. Alright, so I'm just going to start with my foundation, do a very quick base. We're not paying attention too much to the skin. Alright, so now that that is on, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm going to use my Item Beauty Brow Chow. I'm just going to fill them in like I normally do. Her makeup is not anything crazy at all. I'm just going to move through it a little bit quick. And now I'm going to go with my NARS Laguna bronzer, and I'm just going to contour and bronze up my face slightly. So just in the normal places that you would. And nothing too crazy. I'm going to go along my nose, just hit it a little. Forehead, jawline. I'm going to do what I like to do with my lips. And now, as for eyes, I'm going to go ahead and take that same bronzer, the fluffy brush, and go ahead and pop that into my crease. Alrighty, so I'm just going to go ahead and move on to cheeks. Let me see what I have here. She's probably using her Rare Beauty items. I don't have any Rare Beauty stuff, but we're gonna go ahead and use this Sunny's Face blush in the shade Doll. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just pick some blush up on there. She has very rosy cheeks, and it's kind of like right here. It's concentrated right there. And I'm going to put some on my nose as well. And then I'm going with a little powder brush, and I'm just kind of blending all of that out. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and go under my lower lash line with that same bronzer. And I'm just going to add some depth underneath the eye, but nothing too crazy. I'm going to go in with my Total Temptation eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to create the thinnest little eyeliner ever. I'm going to move in a little closer so you guys can see better. Just add some eyeliner, just like that. Nothing crazy. Alright, and then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. You can totally add falsies, because she definitely has falsies on, but I'm trying to give my eyelashes a little bit of a break. So I'm just going to apply some mascara. So for the look like this, I'm going to sacrifice the fact of wearing lashes, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm using the Item Beauty Lash Snack mascara all over my lashes. Alrighty, now for lips, she has like very like peachy, pinky nude lips. It's a very youthful look. I'm gonna go ahead and take this NYX lip liner in the shade London and line my lips. And I'm gonna fill that in as well, just because we are adding a gloss after this. So now my lips are lined, everything is basically on. I probably will add another coat of mascara just to give that false eyelash look a little bit more false eyelashy. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and move on to hair, and then we'll do some finishing touches on the makeup, and then we'll be all done. Alright, so my hair is just my natural hair right now. I put some heat protectant in because we will be using a little waver. I'm going to go ahead and use that to create her like waves and curls. I kind of have, I don't know, my hair is super gross and dirty. It's already hot, so I'm just going to go ahead and put some waves into my hair. So I realized I wasn't recording part of it. All I did was just like slip 2 bobby pins back, and I kept kind of this top part a little bit fuller. So now I have some roses, some pink roses, and I'm going to stick that right here and then pin it down at the stem. So that is the pink roses. One side is closer to the ear. Over here, up higher. We're just pinning these down. So that is 2 flowers on. Alright, so I found like these little flowers that I have here in my house, and I'm just going to attach it right here. I'm so sorry, my house is very loud. There's vacuuming, there's talking. So if you hear any of that, I'm sorry. So that, woo, I like it. I'm gonna add the other one just like that, and now I'm gonna go back in with my waver and just like wave a few pieces to make it look a little bit more. And I'm also going to do one more coat of mascara, so I'm gonna curl my lashes one more time and add another coat of mascara, and then we'll head in with gloss. And you basically got your look. Alrighty guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.